Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So Charlie's been back in Wyoming for a while now. Life is pretty calm and so it's really nice. I'm having Cheerios right here with Triton. I've been doing a little bit of freelancing and a little bit of what's it called? Personal shopping. So I've been getting the chance to see all of these really amazing homes and really cool roads and old parts of towns that I wouldn't have otherwise. It's been really neat. Going forward, oh yeah, cut the hair. I like having a long bob. I made it a little bit shorter of a bob just because it's easier for me to maintain as a mom and go I usually am. So, I don't know. That's the update, but I have a couple interviews. Triton might be old enough for school now. You can hear him chewing away at Cheerios so he wanted for lunch. And so, I don't know. We're just checking in. How are you guys? How's the world? Is your neighborhood burning? Mine kind of is. It's always smoky. Smoky season. Yeah, I don't know. I've been really interested in watching these videos of like side hustles or starting your own business. Speaking of which, I have my own business, e-commerce. I'll have it linked below. I don't know. I've just been doing mom stuff. Good, how are you? Want to go down here? The hedges. Don't go check out the flowers. Look at these pieces, baby. Daddy. Are you going this way? Daddy. Okay. shown it before in little clips on the channel here. It's wow. Still a little smoky, so I don't know how long we're going to be wandering around the gardens. It's so pretty. There's fountains and green grass. I think maybe we should go up the other side of the stairs. We can go up at the by next to the fountain, and then we'll make our way to go have lunch. Like, can I just run around like barefoot in a really nice gown here? Like, please. I guess I could if I packed one. I want to take a break over here because it's very pretty. Keep it on over time. Oh no, geez! Oh my goodness. A geese! A geese over there. A bug! A bug! A bug! There are bugs. Lots of trees. Trees. It's a bug. It's a bug. No boat. The truck.
We're in the truck. No, the tent is in the truck.
You guys, what the heck is happening?
Guys! No, don't stop.
We're in the back of the truck.
Oh, stop.
We're in the truck.
Stop. Yeah. Mom. Whoa. I can eat.
We're in a tent.
The truck.
In the truck.
The truck.
Trying to make sense of the world.
Just a good truck. Truck. Oh no. Truck. Oh, there
You came in from over there.
Then we put the tent in the truck.
Yeah. No honk. Okay.
Thank you guys for tuning in and looking at this. I guess now I will show the last little bit of our adventures with Charlie now. Things sort of cooled down there, so I'm just being single mom, doing my life stuff. But the time I spent with Charlie was very like magical and like intense, and there was like a lot going on, and we did a lot of things. And so I guess I'll add in where the last of our little adventures, because we went back to Duncan Creek, and that's where I spent the early years of my life. My parents were down there when me and my sister were under 5, and they would gold mine, and that's how they made their living. And yeah, so I got the chance to go back there, and especially before a lot of the fires hit. So hopefully it's still okay. But when I went down there, the camp was exactly how it was, and I was there, and we pulled up in the dark, and I just got goosebumps. I was there in the dark, and I could be like, this is home, like, this is where we were. And then, what do you think?
This is incredible. Thank you for...
It really got, like, you hear about how human impact, like, it really makes a difference, like, anything you do on the environment. But, like, going back to that camp, like, nobody's been there for almost 30 years. And so, going back there, I could see, like, this is the stump that I used to watch lizards on, or this is where we dumped out the gravel from a fish tank that we shouldn't have done, but it was still there after 30 years. And I got to take my son down to Duncan Creek, where we used to dredge, or not dredge, but dredging was allowed, but they would bring like their pans, and the camp that we were on, they would dredge there, and they were licensed to dredge. And so you can see like the real impact of like the coves of the stream that were still like that, and the little bridges, and then the little like skit that my parents made to carry me and my sister in and out of there, and the equipment in and out of there. And tell us about it, Triton. You sprinkle the rocks over here. There's a bug. Fully took apart your bottle. Excuse me. Don't dig low. Take the big one. Oh my goodness. It was just a really magical time, and I just felt like going back home and very like rejuvenating to me, because that's like my start in life. And I don't know, I guess I'll add that now, and it meant a lot to me to be able to take my son down there, and then Charlie came with me down there. I was very like feeling. Can you tell me when to sit down? 9. And so yeah, I'll start in on that now. Yeah, hope you guys can do that.
That's good. I'm going to come sit on your left side. What's wrong with this camera? We're about to find out.
Overnight candy. There's like a barbecue spot. It's like nice and creepy.
We should come here with more.
It looks like you're floating.